In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone added you on Telegram, using a simple method you can check in just a few seconds. This is a really useful trick if you want to know whether someone has saved your number, or if you're trying to understand what information they can actually see on Telegram. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, it's important to know that Telegram does not send a notification when someone adds you to their contacts. So, if you were expecting an alert or a message telling you that someone saved your number, Telegram won't do that. But there is still a way to check manually and get a pretty good idea. To start, open Telegram and go to the chat with the person you want to check. If you already have a conversation with them, this is the easiest place to begin. Once the chat is open, tap on their profile picture at the top of the screen. This will take you to their profile page, where you can view more details about the account. On their profile, look for the info section. This is where Telegram shows details such as the user's name, username, and sometimes their phone number. Now here's the key part. If their phone number is visible to you, it can mean they have saved your contact information. In other words, they may have you stored in their contacts, which is why that number is accessible in the profile view. If the phone number is not visible, that does not necessarily mean they did not add you, but if it is visible, that's the main sign to look for. So the process is simple. Open the chat, tap the profile picture, and check the info section for the phone number. That's the quickest way to verify it manually on Telegram. One thing to keep in mind is that privacy settings can affect what you see. So not every account will show the same details. But for most users, this is the best method available inside Telegram itself. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.